Hey guys, so Cubot has announced the Cubot KingKong Power 5. It is the successor of the Power 3. The device is equipped with impressive specs and features, and it is expected to be very affordable. Also, as regarding its release date, I don't know that yet, but the device is expected to launch in May. Anyways, in this video we'll explore its top features. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So first off, the device comes in a sleek black color, and in terms of sheer size, the phone is substantial. It has a height of about 182.85 millimeters, a width of about 83.9 millimeters, and it is 24.6 millimeter thick. You definitely feel the device in your hand and your pocket. Powering the device is a MediaTek Helio G100 octa-core processor built on a 6nm architecture with a clock speed of up to 2.2 GHz. This should provide a good balance of performance and power efficiency. The device is running on the latest Android 15 operating system, which is fantastic to see. Memory wise, you get a solid 6GB of base RAM, but Cubot has also included a generous 10GB of RAM expansion, effectively giving you 16GB for smoother multitasking. For storage, there is a spacious 128GB of onboard ROM, and if that's not enough, you can expand it further with a TF card of up to a massive 1TB. Now let's talk about the battery. A colossal 15,600 mAh non-removable unit. This is truly massive and promises exceptional battery life. To top it up quickly, it supports 33 watts fast charging, which is essential for such a large capacity. It even supports reverse charging, allowing you to use your phone as a power bank for other devices. The display is a large 6.88-inch HD Plus quarter-drop screen with a refresh rate that can switch between 60Hz, 90Hz, and even a smooth 120Hz for a more fluid visual experience. For photography, the front-facing camera boasts a 16MP sensor for your selfies and video calls, and on the back you'll find a triple camera setup led by a high-resolution 64MP main sensor with face detection autofocus for quick and accurate focusing. There's also a 2MP macro lens for capturing close-up details and a 0.3MP sensor. In terms of connectivity, the device supports up to 4G connectivity. It doesn't support 5G, unfortunately. It also comes with GPS and other essential navigation systems. The phone supports Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC. It also supports a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, OTG, face unlock. The KingKong Power 5 is also rated IP68 and IP69K for water and dust resistance, as well as military-grade standard 810H certification, meaning it can handle extreme conditions. Finally, for those of you who need extra utility, it features a powerful 5-watt speaker for loud audio output. On the back, there's an incredibly bright 1200 lumen camping light with a 1.5A output, and on the top you find dual LED lights with a combined output of 1000 lumens, making this phone a serious tool for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. So these are the top features of the Cubot KingKong 5. As I mentioned earlier, it is equipped with really nice specs, and also as I mentioned earlier, the device would most likely launch in May. Unfortunately, I do not know its price currently, but I'll definitely update you guys. I'll tell you its price when I get its official price. But anyways, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.